How to install Cobblemon mode in Minecraft. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll show you guys how can you install Cobblemon mode in Minecraft. Now all you need to do is follow these steps. Now first of all, you have to go to this link. I'll make sure to drop the link on my description box below as well. That is CurseForge.com/Minecraft. Don't worry about the link, I'll make sure to leave it on my description box below. Now here, what you want to do is click on the install button from the right hand side corner of your screen, and you just need to go ahead and click on download CurseForge. After which you want to go ahead and select download on Overwolf or download on standalone. Select that, and once it is already downloaded, it's going to show you here. Now once it is downloaded, you want to go ahead and launch it or just open it up. Now here you want to double click on it and click on the run button. As you've done it, so it's going to take a couple of seconds. So here you just have to go ahead and press on the next button. Now make sure to mark on the terms and condition and click on the next button. So after which you need to click on the continue button, and then you have to go ahead and select your game. So after you've done it, so you want to go ahead and either continue or log in with your Minecraft account, or you could go ahead and continue as a guest. Then you've successfully downloaded the Cobblemon. So that's how you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.